In the Home menu, click Design, and then click Site Styles. The tweak name varies by template, but look in the Site Styles for a tweak named Site or Page Background Image, or just Background Image. Click the tweak to open it. Click the Image Uploader to select a file from your computer. If you don't have many images of your own, or want some new ones, you can click the Search Images button to find free stock images through Unsplash, or click on the Premium button to view pictures that can be purchased through Getty Images. After adding the background image, use the styling options to fix any cropping or distortion you might see. We can set the position of the banner image and the size. With Auto, the image retains its original width and height. This is good for smaller images that you want to repeat. Cover scales the image as large as needed to completely cover the background area. As a result, the full image might not display and may look different on each page depending on the height of the page content. And Contain scales the image so its longest edge fits inside the browser. For Auto or Contain, the site background color may display behind the image. Use the Repeat tweaks to adjust this. And lastly, with the Fix Position option, the image's position remains stationary behind scrolling content. When unchecked, it scrolls up and down with the page. Lastly, click Save to publish your changes. And with that, you can have a background image that unifies your site style. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.